find the slope of each curve by simplifying our function and then finding the derivative. So the first thing I want to do with this one is go ahead and distribute that x. So that's going to be x squared minus 2x. And then you merely find the derivative of h, which is going to be 2x minus 2. And we're using simple properties here, the simple rules. And I'm going to do 5 problems here, and so they're going to get a little harder. This was an easy one. The next one is here, so the first thing I want to do is simplify this. And I'm going to write this as 2x, and go ahead and expand this. X squared plus 2x plus 1, and I want to go ahead and distribute, and I get 2x cubed plus 4x squared plus 2x. Now we're going to go ahead and differentiate our y with respect to x of this function here. And that's going to give you 6x squared plus 8x plus 2. Okay, the next ones are this one. So the first thing I want to do is put this x to the 4th under each of my terms. And then I want to go ahead and write this as g to the x equals, and if you move this up, this is going to be x times x to the negative 4th minus 5x squared times x to the negative 4th. And that's going to equal x to the negative 3 minus 5x to the negative 2. Now we can go ahead and differentiate this one. So that's going to be negative 3x to negative 4, because you subtract 1, plus 10x to the negative 3. Now what we want to do, we don't want negative exponents, so let's simplify further. This will be negative 3 over x to the 4th plus 10 over x cubed, using our properties of exponents. Okay, and the next one is this one. So the first thing I want to do is to condense my factors in the numerator. So that's going to be x squared plus 7x plus 10. And the next thing I want to do is put my x cubed under each piece. And then use my properties of exponents to rewrite this. So if I write x squared times x to the negative 3 plus 7x times x to the negative 3, it's times, plus 10x to the negative 3. And then simplifying even further, this would be x to the negative 1 using your product property, plus 7x to the negative 2, and plus, then we still have our 10x to the negative 3. Now I'm going to differentiate f of x, and you get negative x to the negative 2 minus 14x to the negative 3 minus 30x to the negative 4. We have to simplify this because we don't want negative exponents, so this is just going to be negative 1 over x squared minus 14 over x cubed minus 30 over x to the 4th. And our last one is this one. So the first thing I'm going to do is expand my factors here. This is going to be x to the 4th plus, and we're going to have 6x squared plus 9. And I'm going to write my x under each piece. Simplifying this gives us x cubed plus 6x. And then this last piece is going to be x, 9x to the negative 1. Okay, now we can differentiate y with respect to x. And we're going to get 3x squared plus 6 minus 9x to the negative 2. And the only thing we have to do now is simplify that piece because we don't want negative exponents. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.